In fixing this panel up, this is one side that used to have a little reflector on it, and each side has one. I used some JB quick weld along with some tape on the back, and I've done it on the other side too. You can see where the holes were, which are, let's see if I can sit down and figure this out. The holes were right there. I put the tape on the back, and then on the front I added JB quick weld here. It dries in about, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, which is, it's nice. Then I've sanded it down to where those holes are no longer there. It's not a perfect sanding job. Usually what I'll do is I'll go a little deeper on the quick weld, and then what I'll do is use spot putty, but I don't know where my spot putty's at. And this kind of looks like a mess, but it's just about ready. It's just about all smoothed out. I've got to sand out these areas just to get little scratches in them so that the rubberized stuff will stick. And a little bit more work at the top. And then this will be the last panel for me to spray. This is for Grant Mara. He's asking me about this Speedo. Grant, I may have some videos how I put this in. I got this Speedo from Steve at BT Cycles. It is a Fongier. It's beautiful. I had to take off this outer cover. Not the glass. That came out, but where it says 515, that piece comes off, and I had to make a hole big enough for this, and then I had to go down inside and basically dig a hole big enough for the whole thing. And then I hooked it up, and it's got a light on it, and the only thing that's different is it's all in kilometers per hour on the outside and miles per hour on the inside, so I kind of get confused by it. The only small problem I've had with this is that when you hook up the speedometer cable, and it will hook up, it's a little tiny bit tight in length from here. Wait, it's here, right here, all the way to the top underneath. But I've had it for 8,000 miles, and I only drive in the summer, so that's a lot of years. It's got chrome on the outside, and then it has a glass cover, and then the neat thing about it is when I put the speedometer back together, the old one, this plastic fits perfectly over the top. There's no leaks, no nothing. It's got a little bit of dirt on it because it rained out here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but if you can get one of these from Steve and you want to go old school where you don't have all that digital stuff, this thing has worked really well. You just hook up the bottom of it to the speedometer cable to your front wheel, and you're good to go, dude. Brap chi brada. I don't have a clue what that means. Alright. Aloha.